Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team. Here we will share the details for the Mario Kart Wii error code 20902. The error reads, "There was an error during login. For help, visit." During our research, we were unable to find any exact cause for the issue, but we found some workarounds that may help with the issue. Before diving into the fixes, it's important to make sure the Wii console doesn't have any pending updates. If there are any, install them and see if the error persists. Also, double-check that the connection to the Wii is secure and stable. The first fix involves deleting certain files and then re-adding them. This might sound a bit technical, but it's easier than it seems. Some users on Reddit found this method to be effective in resolving error code 20902. However, if this fix doesn't work or the error keeps recurring, the issue might be server-related. In this case, a little patience might be the best solution. We recommend waiting for at least 1 day before trying to connect again. To summarize, there are 2 potential fixes for Mario Kart Wii error code 20902. The first is to delete and re-add certain files. The second is to simply wait for a day before attempting to connect again. Remember to ensure that the Wii console is up to date and that the connection is stable before trying these fixes. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.